There's a lot of fire hazards. It can be unexpected, but planning and taking precautions can help, and keeping up with cleaning items that are fire hazards is a smart way to approach where we are here in the wintertime. For example, cooking in is a leading cause of fires. Believe it or not, safety tips: stay in a room while cooking. Know how to put out a grease fire. Have a fire extinguisher. Also, dryer lint. They actually cause 16,000 fires annually, mainly due to lint buildup. The safety tip is to clean the lint trap after each load and the vent pipe yearly. My wife, LaDonna, is a stickler on this thing. After every load of dryer that we put through there, she's in there checking that, and then we got a brush from Amazon that goes down in to pull out whatever potential lint might be trapped down there. She does a great job on that. Also, make sure your smoke alarms are working. Make sure your gas grills, and they cause thousands of fires yearly, keep the grills at least 10 feet away from structures, and ensure that they are cool before cleaning. E-bikes, that's a new thing that's in the list this year. E-bikes and lithium ion batteries. Those bikes can cause fires if mishandled because of the batteries. Extension cords, do not overdo those cords. Guilty of doing that myself. Cluttering and hoarding, that one I'm not, but excessive clutter, yeah, is a fire hazard. Faulty wiring is a problem. Old appliances are problems. Oily rags, especially if you're near a furnace that's a gas-powered furnace, oily rags is an absolute disaster. You want to make sure your heating equipment, like gas heaters in the event of a power failure, are properly serviced. Sleeping with the door open is actually a bad thing. An open bedroom door increases fire risks if a fire occurs outside the room. If the door's closed, you get an extra couple of minutes to get out of the house, hopefully through the window. And the space heaters are also a difficult thing to deal with. So those are some of the tips that we suggest you keep an eye on over the rest of this winter as we go into the spring, sooner than later, I hope. Yeah, right?